Welcome back, leather crafters. This right here is a little template that I made. Foam in the center, 2 pieces of cardboard wrapped in masking tape. Let's see what we're gonna make with this. Let's go. I hope you enjoyed that. This is the final results. Here's the back. Here's the front. You can fit an iPhone Plus. Nice and neat. It's not like the other one that I did a couple of years back. I didn't have the template, or I couldn't find, I would say, the template. But my previous one was my Batman one compared to this one. It's just a little bit bigger, but it's done. Brayer brown, initials, horseshoes, size 24 snap here, and that's pretty much it with this one. Let's see, hand stitched everything around. Hand stitched this. There's hand stitch inside here too. And that's pretty much it. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you won't miss another of my future videos. And we'll see you next time. Bye.